If you want to know how to generate these beautiful AI professional photos, watch this video to the end. As you can see, I'm showing an example of the picture I've generated using AI. I've used Nano Banana, but I've used it from different sites like Leonardo AI, Capcut, ChatGPT, and also Google Studio. So, step one, you should go to ChatGPT to generate your image prompt. So, I head over to my ChatGPT for him to help me write a professional image prompt. So I'm going to just write a short write-up to be describing what I want ChatGPT to generate. So you need to be very specific. You need to tell ChatGPT the color of your clothes you want to be wearing, the type of your hair, how you want to be sitting down. Everything you want in that particular picture, you need to take ChatGPT because ChatGPT is an AI, you cannot assume. So you need to inform him how you want your prompt to be labeled. So, ChatGPT have developed a prompt for me and I like what I saw. I read it through and I like it. But one thing I noticed is the fact that I forgot to include that he's supposed to use an uploaded image of me to generate that picture. So that's what I'm trying to correct ChatGPT to include it in the prompt. If not, if I use that first prompt, it's going to generate a random picture of me, of anybody. But if I told AI that include the uploaded picture using the hair, you're going to see now using the uploaded reference photo of me. So that is how I want it to be. Let me use my own picture that I'm going to upload to generate any picture of this. So we're going to use the same prompt in 4 different places to see the differences. So these are all my prompts. So right now, you're gonna copy your prompt. You're gonna copy your prompt. I'm coming. Let me read it through. So I'm going to copy my prompt to Google AI to generate it. I've already uploaded the picture I need to generate using this method. Once you upload the picture, it's going to generate it. Put the prompt there. So look at the picture I used. So after I'm done, I'll head over to Leonardo AI, click on that Leonardo AI and log in. So once I log into Leonardo AI, it's going to show me this interface like this. So click on GPT image, then click on that image. You are seeing my image. In case if you have not selected your picture, it's not going to show picture, but I've already selected before. So you can come here and come to photo gallery and choose another picture you want to use. So once you uploaded your picture, you cancel it, go and change that GPT image to Nano Banana. If not, it's going to generate a funny picture of you. So go ahead and choose Nano Banana here. You see it has changed to Nano Banana. Then you can now generate. I've already generated everything, so I don't want to generate again. But see all my generation from Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI actually tried. It maintained my face. I even like it more than Google. So the third method is you creating it with CapCut. Head over to CapCut and click that edit photo. Then once you enter, it's going to show you this place. Capcut did not allow me to screen record it. I don't know why. I don't know the reason. So that's why I'm just showing the picture. Just once you just choose your picture, you will now enter the prompt and you generate. So the fourth method is ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT. The same prompt ChatGPT generate, I still input it and put this my picture, then you now generate this particular beautiful picture. So please follow, like, and